Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share how you can make a simple yet classy wall design in just one weekend. For any wall design, I believe it's important to plan it out first. Measure your wall and sketch it out on a piece of paper. It might help you to tape it on the wall too, like my friend did here. Once you're ready, it's time to transfer your measurements to the wall. This way you know exactly where you'll be placing the trim. When you're making your lines, be sure to use a level to keep it straight. Let me tell you, there are so many designs out there to try with trim. The more complicated the design, the more materials you'll need and time. Just take your time. It will be worth it. Now that you have your measurements on the wall, the next step is to cut your trim. To do this, I recommend using a miter saw. But if you don't have one and you want to keep your costs low, try getting a miter box and saw instead. I've gone ahead and cut the trim for this project off camera. When you're cutting your wood, be sure to cut it at a 45-degree angle. To see how to cut your wood with a miter saw, I'll put the link to the video in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Now it's time to load your construction adhesive and apply it to the back of the wood. Once you're done, place it on the wall and secure it with a nail gun. Once the trim is up, it's time to fill the spaces and holes with wood filler. It's also good to add paintable caulk around your trim. Once everything is dry, it's time to touch it up with paint. The most satisfying part is seeing your hard work come together. You can do this. Just take your time. So, what wall design will you be doing? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos next.